Understanding the phrase, wavefront. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English language phrases. Our topic for this video is wavefront. By the end of this video, you'll be well acquainted with this term and how to use it. To truly understand the phrase, wavefront, it's crucial to break it down into its individual components. 1. Wave. In English, a wave can refer to a disturbance that travels through a medium, often carrying energy with it. Think of waves in the ocean or the ripples created when you throw a stone into a pond. 2. Front. This typically refers to the foremost part or surface of something. For instance, the front of a building or the front of a line. Combining the two, wavefront can be visualized as the leading edge or surface of a wave, especially as it moves forward. The term wavefront is predominantly used in science and physics to describe the foremost part of a wave moving through a medium. For instance, in optics, the wavefront of a light wave is a surface over which the phase of the light is constant. However, in day-to-day English, it's not a commonly used phrase outside of specific scientific contexts. So if you hear or read it, it's likely in a technical or scientific setting. To further clarify, let's go through some example sentences. 1. The wavefront of the tsunami was massive and reached great heights. 2. In optics, the shape of the wavefront can greatly influence how light refracts or reflects. That brings us to the end of our exploration of the phrase, wavefront. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what it means and how it's used. Remember, English is full of intriguing terms, each with its unique story and context. Until next time, happy learning!